Top 5 apps like Haus reviews that actually work today. Haus is known for helping people earn money online, but most people get this wrong by trusting unverified programs that don't pay. The surprising truth is there are several legitimate apps that let you earn safely and reliably. Here are 5 that actually work today. First, Swagbooks allows you to earn points by taking surveys, watching videos, or shopping online. Users highlight consistent payouts and easy redemption for gift cards or cash. Second, Inbox Dollars rewards activities like surveys, games, and videos with cash. App users report quick payments and a user-friendly interface. Third, Fiverr lets you offer freelance services in writing, design, and more. Customers praise secure payments and global reach. Fourth, Upwork connects freelancers with businesses for paid projects. Users appreciate verified clients and reliable contracts. Finally, TaskRabbit offers in-person tasks like moving, cleaning, or errands for cash. Users highlight flexibility and trustworthiness. Pro tip: always read verified reviews and check payout methods before committing to an earning app. This ensures you get paid safely and reliably. These 5 apps help you earn money online or in person without falling for scams or unreliable platforms.